Hi, I'm Luke from the Test Kitchen, and today I'm going to be making a boned saddle of lamb stuffed with a coconut, apricot and curry stuffing. I'm going to put some coconut oil into it, quite a lot, get it melted down a bit. Right, so into that we've got ginger, garlic, fresh turmeric and lemongrass and a little bit of palm sugar. And we want to slightly brown this. I mean, I wish you could smell it, but you can't obviously, but it does smell delicious. Cashew nuts go in, chopped onion. You're going to let the onions fry off a little bit as well. Grated coconut, some beautiful lime leaves, some apricot. Give that a little stir. I'm going to keep it going on a high heat. Into there we're going to have sherry. This is a pale dry sherry. Then fish sauce. So fish sauce is my salt. I'm going to put a little bit of curry powder in there. Here we go. That's ready. I'm going to let that cool down, and whilst it's cooling down I'm going to make the parsnip and curry cream. Going to get rid of all the dirty brown bits. So your parsnips go in and then just cover with cream. A little bit of curry powder in there. Just add to your preference, you know. Put a bit of salt in there. And there you're just going to let that simmer for about 15 minutes. So your parsnips are cooked out. It's a little bit thick, so I'm going to let that down with a little bit more cream. So next we're going to do a coriander mint pesto. I've got some cashew nuts, some peeled garlic, plenty of coriander and mint, a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of salt, oil. Okay, next we're going to roll the stuffing into the lamb. We're going to start by seasoning it lightly. There's plenty of salt in that stuffing as well. We're going to take the stuffing and we're going to put a little line of it down the side here. We're going to roll it and tuck it in, and then this flap we're going to bring right over. There you go, in she goes. And I'm going to get an even caramelization over the whole piece of meat. See, it's getting nice and golden now. Into a roasting pan. Into the oven, 180 degrees for 14 minutes. That's been resting for 5 minutes. There you go. Lovely, pink. That's exactly how I like my lamb. Coriander and mint pesto. Finish it with an extra little bit of stuffing. Some parsnip crisps. The trick with plating food is to make it as unstable as you possibly can, so that when the waiter picks it up it falls over and you shout at it. That's a joke, by the way. I never shout at waiters. Some mint and coriander shoots and a little bit of curry oil to finish it. There you go, that's it, done.
Can we have a taste?
Absolutely. Can I be dad and carve it for you?
You can.
Give that a little stir. I'm going to keep it going on a high heat. So I'm going to turn it down. How do you turn it down? Okay, I'm going to keep that on a high heat.